These are my coin collections of, we have this one, foreign, we have that over there, Australian, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, yen. These one are pennies. Look at that. Oh, they are old coins. Hope I could find some good penny that is worth hundreds of thousands. Look at my pennies. This one are from the 1980 to up to 1989. This one is from 1990 up to onwards. And then this one are pennies too. Look. I have a quarter. This one are the nickels, pennies. So I have look. That's a Philippine peso. 1903 Philippine peso. And this one is a British coin. 1899. Okay. Pennies that I have to clean. And dimes. This one are dimes. Okay. And this one, my important coins. Like this one. Oh. It's an error coin. The ones in here are error coins. Look at this 1 peso. See? It's smooth. See? And then the regular peso is not like that. See? Look. But they weigh the same. The weight is the same. Isa lang ang weight. Hope to find some collections. I have already found some pennies in here that are worth hundreds and thousands of dollars, but I just don't know where to sell it. So if this one is where is my 70s? I have my pennies from the 70s too eh. Oh, this one from 1970, yan, up to 79. And also I have my collections of the Philippine money. This one are what? Oh, 25 cents. The 50 cents. The 5. This one is it's a 1 peso. So the 5 pesos. Philippine money over there. And there are some coins over there that the one in the bottle from left to right, I think that's 5 cents and then 25 cents, 10 cents. And this one, 2 pesos, old coins. Nice. They are from my mother's collection. Na I know it's been before na she's been collecting the coins. She already died 5 years ago, and then I was able to find the coins 3 days ago. Look, that one. These are the foreign coins. And that's the special coin. This 5 peso is an error coin. Look. See, it's not straight. It has a dent. It's dented. But, look, it's smooth. Smooth siya, oh. And then, this is a dime. Mintage error ito. Yung parang nagkaroon siya ng stripes. Hindi mo na makita yung year. Year cannot be seen. Yeah. So, dime. This one then. I know I have penny na na error coin eh. I just don't know where to find it. I was able to see it na kaso mo I put it back there, so I have to look on it one by one. Yeah. So folks, look. See? Lots of coins. Thank you. Sige. Hope nag-enjoy kayo. Hope you enjoyed my video of coins. Nice coins. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. If I could be able to find my other coins, mga error at saka yung mga coins that are rare, I will show them to you on to my next video. Thank you and goodbye.